On a quiet mountain slope, in a village kissed by clouds, lives a young girl. Her day begins with soft sunlight and the gentle sound of her sheep. Every morning she leads them across green fields, surrounded by tall mountains and endless sky. The air is fresh, the world is calm, and everything feels peaceful. Far from the noise of the city, her life is simple, yet full of meaning. Her sheep are not just animals. They are her friends, her little family. She talks to them, laughs softly, and enjoys every moment in nature. As the sun slowly sets behind the mountains, painting the sky in warm colors, she walks back home with a heart full of quiet happiness. In this simple life, she has found something truly special, a peace that many people only dream of. After returning home, she walks into her small garden. With her own hands, she gently picks fresh vegetables, green leaves, ripe tomatoes, and more. The cool mountain air surrounds her as she carries them inside. In her tiny kitchen, she starts cooking with care and love. The sound of fire, the smell of fresh food, and the warmth of her home fill the evening. Every meal she makes is simple, yet full of heart. She cooks not just to eat, but to feel peace, to feel alive. As the night falls quietly over the mountains, she sits down, enjoying the food she made with her own hands. A small moment, yet deeply beautiful. As the evening deepens, she steps outside with a few dry twigs. With careful hands, she strikes a spark, and slowly, a small flame comes alive. The warm glow dances on her face, and memories flood her mind. She feels a strange mix of joy and sadness, and for a moment, tears fill her eyes. The mountain stands silently around her, as if sharing her emotions. She wipes her tears, takes a deep breath, and tends the fire carefully. The flames crackle, casting a golden light on the garden in her little kitchen. Inside, she places the vegetables she picked earlier into pots and pans. The aroma rises, mingling with the scent of burning firewood outside. Her hands move skillfully, chopping, stirring, and adding a pinch of love to every dish. Soon the table is ready. Her family gathers. Parents, siblings, and even the small lambs outside peek curiously through the window. She serves the food with a gentle smile, and one by one, they start eating. Laughter and quiet conversations fill the room, blending with the crackle of the fire outside. Every bite is a reminder of home, of love, and of the simple joys of life. Tears turn into smiles, sadness into gratitude, as the family sits together, sharing a meal made with care and warmth. The night grows deeper, but in that small mountain home, hearts are full, and the glow of the fire reflects a happiness